how to use cards on Wise, and what we can do is about really helping you about it, the situation that is still about it on the progress that it can be really situated for what we are looking for, to help you about that still to be really satisfying for what we are looking for such an important moment and the progress that can be really done on what we are going to do. And what we can do is about to be doing that on using the cards that is still about that, as you can understand and see, to go for cards and select your activation card, then about to go for the card online in the store purchases, and that is still exactly to be going on through that, as you can understand, to activate your cards for that side like that. And then what we can do is about to go for the right top corner, and then start to go for side of the going to make payment methods like this, started to go for saved packets and started to go for send money or add money. And that is all about use the card on the web situation.